I'm just waiting for, hello again, I'm just waiting for my coffee to cool down so I can go out, and look how I've tightened that 1 minute ascending trend line up, and it looks like it's hits it almost to the pip there and is continuing up. There is no need, I'm not trading this by the way, there's no need to expect it to keep going up and up and up in a straight line. As you know, that's why I take my profits at safe intervals, and then take a breather, reassess things and so on. But it's no surprise now, look, the USD is strong and weak. I don't know my left from my right, so I can hardly know strong from weak, can I? So apologies for that. The pound is massively strong, dollar is weak. There it goes. I have no idea how this is calculated, and it isn't the finest indicator in the world, but it does help us perhaps open our eyes to the best possibilities. Having said that, with this new big candle thingamajig, now I'm talking about the H4, and that's nice because you can just look at your charts at the H4 flip overs, as it were. 6 a.m. is brilliant. I can set my alarm for 5:45, give myself a few slaps around the face, and then have a search for some good looking potential setups. This is continuing to break highs of candles here with closes. This little red candle has broken above, looks quite bullish, but no need to get carried away. The RSI was the other thing that I wanted to talk about in this very quick little addendum video, which is, notice how when we get the bust, the pullback and the bust and break, or break and close above the previous bust, you get the big moves. And we've got it on here as well. Bust up, pull back, break and close. It didn't break and close for this one by the looks of it. Broke and close that one, massive move up. So when this starts to sort of drop off, that's when you know you should be thinking about being a bit cautious. We can clearly see now also the momentum's dropping off as well, something else that is worth mentioning. I know there seems to be tons and tons of stuff you have to watch, but it will become second nature, guys. It's a sort of muscle memory, you know, like athletes develop and so on and so forth. You will start to look at this as worthwhile information, I promise you. It won't happen overnight, nothing ever happens overnight, but if you just keep following these simple rules, draw your lines. It's been done for decades. Before electronic trading, it's been done on paper charts. It's been done for a reason. So what else can I say, guys? I've forgotten to mention the strength currency strength meter, and I'd forgotten to mention the bust, break and close, and they are quite important. And I think if we look on the 30 now, the 30, I'd been talking about this over and over. When you get that bust and break and close, something like here, pull back, break and close, look at those massive movements that are signified by on the 30-minute chart. Bust, break and close, and off she goes. And you're always looking for it's much the same as our candlestick reversal. You're looking for it in points where the pressure has not been able to push the price above the zero line, for example. That's what I used to call my momentum move. On my old indicator, I'm now calling it the momentum move on the histogram, because it's far better than my old indicator. Even, you know, people that have been watching me for years will realise that this thing down here was on my charts for 15 years. I couldn't take it off. It was like taking off stabilisers on a child's bike. Finally, I haven't quite got to the point where I've deleted it yet, but finally I will be able to delete this thing. So yeah, getting back to these moves here, look, break, pull back, close, it goes on and on, massive movement. 30 minutes, there's probably some over here, yeah, push up nice and strongly, pull back, that's that one there, and then finally we get the break and close, and the price goes absolutely ballistic. So study these things for yourself, guys. Study the 4-hour reversals. There's my dog telling me she wants a walk. Study the 3-candle reversals. You can do your homework. You've got thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands of hours of charts to watch on, tens of pairs to watch it on. Price action works the same way in almost every currency pair and stock and indices. So, you know, bust, pull back, break and close, boom, massive move. The 30-minute is a lovely one for that. I haven't really looked closely at the hourly and the 15, but the 15 is highly likely to have less importance than the 30, and the hourly is probably asking too much for an intraday trader like me. So have a look at those, do your homework. If you've got anything interesting to bring to the group, as it were, then please do. And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, retweet please, and best of all, if you've got anything that you are not sure of on my videos, then ask me and I will make a purpose-built, personalised video for you to respond, and no doubt if it helps you, it will help others too. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.